Hey, what's up? Another video. Quick desk tour muna tayo. So on my previous videos, nabanggit ko na I'm permanently working from home as an IT dito sa Australia. So therefore, dapat meron tayong cozy na workplace kasi every day from Mondays to Fridays, yung work natin is sa bahay lang. So dapat comfortable tayo sa workplace. Ayun. So dapat able or dapat yung peripherals natin, yung workplace natin is convenient to work para naman ma-execute natin yung daily activities natin sa work. Ayan. Ayan. So, on one of the rooms dito sa house, ginamit natin siyang office. So, daily from Mondays to Fridays, dito ako nagwo-work. I normally start my work at 6:30 and ends at 3 p.m. Maaga kasi I'm following Melbourne business hours and since nasa Perth, Australia tayo, we're 2 hours behind during standard time. So just bear with me. So hindi ako masyadong organized. So yan. So actually medyo magulo yung setup natin. And basically I'm just using the basic stuff. It's not the nicest setup, but it does the job done. So I'm able to work conveniently and I'm able to deliver yung daily activities ko sa work. So basically, yeah, I'm using primarily for work yung laptop provided na yung company laptop na provided by the company, and I'm using two 32 inches monitor. Both are 4K resolution, and on one of the monitor, ginawa natin siyang on a standing position para convenient magbasa ng mga emails. So best for reading, kaya naka-vertical yung isang monitor. This one. Yan. So I'm also using a monitor stand for each one para convenient na madali nating ma-push or pull yung monitor. So kasi kung hindi siya naka-monitor stand, medyo strenuous sa neck natin, and alam naman natin na medyo tumatanda na. So yan, so best yan na may monitor arm. And yeah, we're also using a standing monitor. So yan, convenient yan sa mga katulad natin na tumatanda na. So I can no longer stand 8 hours a day, 5 days work week. I should stand para hindi strenuous sa back or sa neck. So that helps me a lot, itong standing monitor. And yun, of course, kailangan natin ng wireless headset that's convenient, provided din ng company. And dun sa back, hindi lang nakikita, but we have monitor speakers by Audio Engine. So Bluetooth siya. So yeah, that's convenient to use. And yan, gumagamit din tayo ng extra monitor, extra keyboard, I mean. So it's a wireless keyboard para convenient na hindi tayo direct sa laptop. And of course, yung laptop natin for convenience, naka-stand siya. So, yun. We're also using a Logitech mouse. So, I think ito yung pinaka MX Master. Ito yung sa tingin ko very convenient in terms of work, yung MX Master 3 Logitech mouse. And ayun pala, I'm able to connect yung 3 monitors kasi meron tayong docking station. So, yan, that's convenient or a must-have para makabit tayo ng extra monitor. And yun, so basically, very basic things. Meron tayong Stream Deck for extra buttons. Normally, I'm using it for shortcuts, opening browsers, opening Windows Explorer, opening a URL. So that's convenient to have. Mayroon din tayong, of course, USB hub. So that's useful. And yan, gumagamit tayo ng for our audio. Meron tayong Rodecaster Pro for our audio. Ito yung, this serves as the sound card. And yan, for better mic quality, meron tayong itong Rodecaster microphone on a Rodecaster arm. And yun, so basically that's it, guys. That's very basic setup. Just enough for me to work conveniently from Mondays to Fridays. For my personal use, mayroon tayong PC na nandito sa baba. Yan. Meron din tayong network attached storage for my storage needs. And yun. So basically, guys, that's my home setup as I work remotely, permanently from home as an IT dito sa Australia. So see you on the next one. Thank you.